So Todd, it seems like there's more and more proliferation of stories about these REITs and so on that are actually improving so much over the last 12 months. A couple of them again on the Bloomberg today. Can we definitively say we've reached and passed rock bottom?
I think we can, Bonnie. I think what is different is that rates have the predictability of rates, and the short end of the curve, I think, is anchored rates on the longer end of the curve, which is how real estate typically prices. And so really what we can focus on now that this potential volatility in rates is behind us are just the underlying fundamentals and yields in real estate. And yields are higher than they've been in over a decade. And the fundamentals are pretty strong, and we think they're actually improving. We like the dynamics in the market. Admittedly, the office market still struggles, but we're not sitting around thinking about how to be defensive in an office market. We're thinking much more about how to be offensive in the other major sectors.
So if you're really thinking about those opportunities, what sectors or even geographies do you like? Are you looking at in coming out of this difficult environment?
Yes. So we're focused on our two favorite sectors are the industrial sector and the residential sector. We also, though, like the shopping center sector, the necessity retail sector, which happens to have been the best performing sector over the last 2 years. Pricing didn't improve coming out of COVID because that was really ground zero for challenges in the operating markets. And so what we've seen is really strong performance in the operating fundamentals, vacancies higher than they've ever been, rents higher than they've ever been in the shopping center market. So we like that. But what we really like are the dynamics that are going on in the housing market as well as in the industrial market. Particularly supply, new starts, are down 75% year over year. That means that a year to 2 years from now, we're going to be undersupplied. And with demand fairly strong and the fundamentals of demand still strong, e-commerce, housing is too expensive, these rental rates, we think will grow from here. Demand will continue to grow and meet with that low supply.